So alligator is a word starting with A, then balloon with B, then cry with C, and it goes on and on like that. Is that clear for you? So if we are given with a number of words, you have to keep it in an alphabetical order so that you can easily find it in a dictionary. So the words with A will come first, then the words starting with B will come first, then with C, then D, likewise it goes on. Is that clear for you? So it is okay. If we are given such words, it is okay. We can write the word with A first, then with B second, likewise. But if you are given a word with the many words with the same letter in the beginning, how will you do that? If you are given 3 words, bangle, boat, then beeline, buckle. These words are given to you and you have to find it out from the dictionary. How will you do that? Can we write it in an alphabetical order? All these words start with the letter B, right? So, how will we do that? So, the first letter is B in every word. In each word, the letter B is the beginning letter. So, we will go to the second letter of the word. Okay? So, we will write first one, A, O, E, U. Which one will come first? A, O, E, U. In alphabetical order, A is the first one. So, B-A-N-G-L-E, bangle will come first. Okay? Then second one, O, E and U. Which is the first to come? O or E or U. In ABCD, which is the first letter? O, E, U. Which one? It is E. So, B line will come second. Then remaining words, boat and buckle. O and U are the second letters. In alphabetical order, O or U is the first one to come. Of course, it is O. So, boat. Then the last one, buckle. This will be the order of the words in the dictionary. Okay. Is that clear for you? So, if you are given words beginning with the same letter, you have to go with the second letter of the word. Then you can place it in order. This is the order given in the dictionary. Is it clear for you? In page 30, there are given some examples. First one, words starting with B is given, that we have done. Second one, daughter, doll, dimple, duckling. You have to do it in an order. You have to write there the words in the order. First letter of all the words are D there. So you have to go with the second letter. A, O, I, U. So you can find it out. Daughter, dimple, doll, duckling. This will be the order. You can go do it by yourselves. Then there are given words starting with P in page number 30. There are given words starting with P. That also you can do by yourself. Okay. So, if you are given so many words, we can write it using the first letter in alphabetical order. First letter of the words in alphabetical order. And if you are given so many words starting with the same letter, you can go by the second letter. You can check the second letter and you can change it into alphabetical order. If you are given bag, barely and ball. Bag, barely and ball. 3 words are given to you. Bag, barely, ball. Here, first letter is B for all the words. So, we cannot keep it with alphabetical order using the first letter. We cannot do that because every word starts with B. Then, what will we do? So, we will move on to the second letter. Here, second letter is A. Here also A. Here also A. Then, what will we do that? How will we place it in order? Now, if the second letter of the words also are same, then we will move on to the third letter. G, R and L. So now you know which will come first. B, A, G, R or L. In alphabetical order, A, B, C, D. G will come first, right? Then L will come first, second. Then R will come third. So back, ball and barely. This is the order. Is it clear for you? Okay. So in page number 31, there are given two exercises for you. Words starting with F and I. First, fig, film is given there. Then sail, salty, sack is also given there. You can do it by yourself. Hope that it is clear for you. So if you are given so many words, you can place it in alphabetical order with the help of the first letter of the word, with the letter that is in the beginning of the word. If same letter is given in the beginning of so many words, you can go by the second letter of the word. And if second letter is also the same, you can go with the third letter. Likewise, it goes on and on. This is how words are placed in a dictionary. Is that clear? Okay. Now, it is your duty to go and check your dictionaries. Okay. So, what is a dictionary? A dictionary is a book with a collection of words and their meanings. And it is placed in an alphabetical order. Okay. Clear? Okay. If you have any doubts, you can contact me through WhatsApp. Okay. Study well. Stay safe at your home. Thank you.